Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a dispenser valve gasket in your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the water supply. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the vibration damper. Set the damper aside. Disconnect the wire connectors from the water valve assembly. Unthread the 3 mounting screws securing the valve. Using a small flathead screwdriver, depress the tabs to release the valve port bezel. You can now pull the valve assembly out of the dispenser. If still intact, remove the old gasket. Install the new dispenser valve gasket by sliding it onto the port. Insert the valve assembly inlet ports through the holes in the rear panel. Align the valve gaskets with the dispenser and push the assembly into place. Thread the 3 mounting screws. Snap the valve port bezel into place. Connect the wire connectors. Reinstall the vibration damper. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.